Hello and welcome back to our podcast. This is Dr. Sarah Abdel Maqsood. I'm the head of the Specialized Radiology Services in the General Department of Radiology, Ministry of Health and Population, Egypt. And with me today is Dr. Mayuri Joshi. She's the Clinical Marketing Manager in Siemens Company.
Correct.
How are you today?
I'm very well. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Is this your first time contributing in our International Radiology Conference?
So, to be honest, it's my third time. So, I've been a part since the first conference.
Mhm.
So, yeah.
And how do you see the difference?
First of all, I really like the contribution, the clinical contributions in the subjects which they cover.
Mhm.
It's really nice. It's up to date, which is one of the most important. When you go in conferences, you would like to update your knowledge. So, I really like the content of the conference very well.
So exactly what is Siemens doing in this conference? What's contribution of this company
So
with
I
us today?
will talk about specifically the third one. The entire Siemens Healthineers, the entire imaging is participating in the conference with the different modalities, let's say from CT to MRI, and particularly myself, I talk about ultrasound because I'm an ultrasound expert. And this year we have, with the help of Dr. Fauzi, actually his vision was very different this year, that he would like to also create awareness for the people who are coming for the conference and to check their liver, to do the liver check for them. Like the fatty livers are going really tremendous. The problems are getting more and more, and it's like a world topic now, the liver problems. So in this conference, what we've done is we have done a workshop where all the participants can come register, and we can scan them very quickly, and we can tell them exactly what's happening in the liver. So we do a liver fat assessment for the people who are coming in, and we can exactly tell them how much fat percentage in your liver. So this workshop is called Know Your Number. So people can come and know their numbers in the liver.
So who does the exams?
So we have doctors who we trained from MOH, from the team from the MOH, and I'm also there because I'm an expert on the ultrasound. So together as a team we work. They scan, and the scan doesn't take more than 1 minute. So we explain what we are doing. We scan the liver, and we quickly in 1 second get the number on the liver and gives these details.
Great. So is there anything that you do also for the radiologist, like you as a technologist or an expert in the ultrasound? Do you help the radiologist present performing ultrasound, or you have chosen already people who are experienced enough to perform the ultrasound?
So this actually, if you talk about the Know Your Number event, yes, we have got a team which was referred by Dr. Fauzi, let's say, like 5 doctors who will perform these scans for us. But anyone who is an expert on ultrasound, any radiologist can perform this scans on ultrasound machine.
Anything else Siemens is doing this?
So this was our main focus, but we also participated and talked about few new advancement, what we as a company, like new innovations we have done, and which was, like the RSNA, the biggest radiology conference was last week of November. So we got all the latest information, and we were very excited to share it with the participants here.
So I want to know more about Siemens' collaboration with the Ministry of Health and Population.
To be honest, yes, there are a lot of collaborations, but I'm not the right person to say about these things in detail right now, because it's like a big company with a different imaging, and there are different stakeholders for that. So yeah.
What do you have in mind for a next step when working with the Ministry of Health and Population in your very own sector, not the whole company profile?
Yes. To start from today, like when we had discussion with the doctors and especially Dr. Fauzi, because his vision, always to provide more and more clinical benefits for the people and for the patients. So whatever people we have scanned, we're going to compile the data, and I think Dr. Fauzi is going to take over, and his team is going to take over to get some information and see that how we can help more.
Can you give me like a deeper idea about Know Your Number initiative or
Okay.
thing that you're
So,
doing?
so let me give you an example.
Mm.
Like you as a person, you would like to know your health, liver health, because liver is the biggest organ in the body, right? If your liver is happy, you're gonna be happy overall, right?
It's the maestro.
Exactly, exactly. So, if you come for a scan and you would like to know, it doesn't matter how you look from outside. Maybe you don't have any external fat, or a person who is really fatty from outside, it doesn't matter. So, this particular thing, spending some extra time, like you go for ultrasounds in different departments and so on, and you do your normal ultrasound scan. But particularly Siemens this year, we had this Accusson Sequoia system, which has this new tool which gives a full liver analysis. So we showed doctor that when this new technologies comes, for them, it should be faster, it should be quicker. So this was our idea to show them that, this is very quick, it's very easy to interpret it, and it is a big benefit to the patients. So,
and it does give the same info that I would like to know as a referring physician, just like
Exactly.
the normal ultrasound.
Exactly. Exactly. So that is what I said. When you have something new, the interpretation should be very easy for the patient as well when you communicate, and for the different clinicians, when your report goes to different clinician, it should be very easy to interpret it. So this was our idea during Know Your Number, to transfer this information to them, to the doctors, to the people who are coming in to check.
Why choose the name Know Your Number? What are the numbers that I'm supposed to know?
Okay, that's really good question. So, like, let's say you come for Know Your Number. I'm gonna do a scan for you, and I'll say you have, let's say, 5% of the fat, right? So, let's say you are a normal person. You don't know about ultrasound. You don't know anything about liver. You will Google what is the fat in liver. So, Google will tell you, okay, usually the 5% or less is the normal fat in the liver, right? So, if you have more, then you will have to change your lifestyle, change the kind of food we eat, and so on, so that it will reverse. You can reverse this number. If you have like really high fat percentage, say, let's say 20, 30, it can go up to 66% as well. So when it reverse, when you change your lifestyle, it reverse. So it's like,
so with
kind
normal ultrasound, they just mentioned fatty liver. It doesn't
Exactly.
give me exact numbers.
Exactly. So when we do a normal,
Mild, moderate, or
exactly,
severe.
mild, moderate, and severe. So when you do a normal conventional ultrasound, of course, we check the liver sizes and check how the ecotexture of the liver is, and so on. But here you will know exactly how much fat percentage, how much fat infiltration in the liver lobules. So,
And how accurate is that exam?
so far we have really good publications. Siemens will always publish something with a solid clinical publication. So we have really good publication. The reproducibility of these numbers are very good. So that when we get really high numbers, we ask patient to go to the clinic, let's say gastro or dietitian, depends on the numbers, and they will go back to their physicians. They come back after 3 months, 4 months, depending on how much is the number, and they see that the numbers are reducing. This is the idea, because liver problems are usually very silent killers. Once it reaches to cirrhosis, we cannot reverse it.
Okay, so Know Your Number is more like a software that is introduced to the ultrasound machine, or
Yes.
this is a machine or a probe, or
Okay, so it comes with the normal ultrasound system. So it's an additional software, which you can use a normal probe, and you can use this system for normal abdominal scan. This is an additional software which goes on the machine.
So this is now your job to market for this new software so that it's present in the radiology centers or hospitals or
So as a clinical
wherever.
marketing person, I like to show the benefit of this technology, because as a company, they invested a lot in the technology, and we have a solid clinical validations. So we go confidently do cases like this to prove that this is actually patient benefit. For doctors, just the technology will not help. You have to show the clinical benefit, and this is our idea.
And has it been widely used so far?
Yes. So some worldwide, yes, it is already a
In
very
Egypt?
In Egypt, yes, few centers. They are aware about this, but I cannot say like how much they are using it. But yes.
Okay, so this is like something new, and you're working on the knowledge to the people so that they all know about it, and
Yeah.
they start using this software with the patients.
Yeah.
Great. Any
Yeah.
take-home message at the end of our conversation?
I would just like to say thanks to the third Egyptian International Conference, because as I said, the content is very good, and I was also a speaker in one of the session, and I always like to hear how people present things, and A conference is all about learning and sharing knowledge, and I really appreciate that. Here.
Thank you so much for your time and for your attendance, and we hope to see you next year as well.
Thank you, Dr. Sarah. It was
Thank
really
you so
nice meeting
much.
you.
It was nice meeting you as well.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us in our podcast, and see you in our next one.